in exercise 2C? Anyone have doubt in exercise 2C? Okay. Anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. 2C all have completed. Okay. So we are going to start 2D. Okay. 2D we will discuss board mass as well. Okay. So along with the each question, we will be discussing the board mass as well. Okay. Okay. Everyone, please switch off your cameras. Okay. So board mass, I will give you a brief idea about board mass, and then we'll start the question. And along with each question, we'll discuss how we are going to apply the board mass. Okay. So board mass, B O D M A S. This is board mass. So what we solve? First we solve the bracket. That is whatever kind of brackets are given, whether simple, curly or square brackets. Okay. First we solve bracket. Okay. That is something within which is within the bracket, smallest one. Okay. Now we solve off. Off is kind of multiplication only. Okay, just please pay attention now. Please keep yourself mute for timing. Okay, let me explain first. Okay, so first we solve the brackets. Okay, the smaller brackets we start with smaller brackets and then we'll move outward. Okay, we discuss that with each question in detail. Okay, then we solve off. Off is nothing but multiplication, like 5% of 20 or something of 20. Okay, that is off. Then we solve the division. Whatever in division we solve. Then we solve the multiplication. Okay. These we may interchange as well. Not big issue. Okay. Division, then multiplication. Then we add.
Addition.
Okay. And then we subtract. At last we subtract. Okay. Okay. So we are starting the exercise. Along with each question we are discussing how we are applying this board mass. Okay. So on top, I'm writing board mass with red color. BODMAS. Board mass. Okay. If someone forget about board mass, they can name their dog or any pet board mass. Okay. So first question. It is given 3A. 3A. Write properly. Then minus B. Okay. A minus 1 minus A bracket closed minus B 1 minus 2A. Okay, this is the question. Okay, I change the color of the brackets. Okay, so this bracket I'm using with red. Okay, and this bracket will use blue. Okay, these simple parentheses or blue brackets we can say these are red brackets are curly brackets. Okay, usually we put smaller, we start from putting from these smaller brackets. Okay, then as we move, for example, if I'm writing A plus B, okay, then this one into 2 plus 3, then bigger bracket, curly brackets will come. 3 into plus 2, okay. Now curly brackets here put, now we put square bracket, okay, and then 3, okay. For example, question is given like this, okay. So first we are starting from the smaller bracket. This is our home. First we are solving the problems of our home, okay. First solve the problem of our home, okay. Then we are moving to the locality, that is our community, okay, nearby people. So this is our community, okay, where we live. We are solving first, we are solving the home problems, then only we are able to solve the problems of the community, okay. So when we have solved the problems of the community, we are moving to the bigger locality, that is we can solve the problem of the district. Okay, when we solve the problem of the state, we can solve the problem of the state, and then we can solve the problem of the country, then of the world. Okay, you can apply that example here as well. Okay, so starting with smaller problems, we solve. Okay, So from where we will start? It is given 3a minus b, a minus 1 minus a minus b into this. See
1
here,
minus a.
this smaller bracket will solve first, okay? This smaller bracket we are going to open, okay? So within the bracket, can we solve? Our home problem is already solved, yes or no? 1 minus a, we can't solve further? We can't solve further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will remove the bracket, okay? We are moving out of our home, okay? So rest of the things we have to write same, okay? We are not going to solve them first, okay? Let them be as such, okay? Minus b, bracket, everyone pay attention, these are very important things, okay? So a minus, okay? Now we are removing bracket, so minus into 1, minus 1, minus minus, plus a. This you get? Yes or no? Are you going to get this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now minus b.
Sir,
Okay.
A into A is A square.
Which one? Here we are just opening the bracket. Minus sign outside.
Sir, B
Minus into 1. Minus. 1 minute.
Sir, minus
B1
B.
minus. This is the question only.
Sir, minus B minus 2AB. Sir, because we will multiply it in bracket. Sir, B.
Okay. Okay.
This
1 minute. We are going to
minus
do
we will
that.
multiply.
Okay. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Now see here this thing. It is minus b into 1 minus 2. Check within the bracket. It is already solved. Within the bracket, it is already solved. So we have solved our home problems. Now we are going to open. Okay. So minus b into 1, minus b into minus 2a. How much? Minus minus plus 2ab. This is there. Plus 2ab. This you are going to get. Have you understood up to now? I'll be a bit slow with first
Yes,
question.
sir.
Okay. Understood this one? How we open? Minus b into 1, minus b. Minus b into minus 2a plus 2ab. This is clear? Okay. Now, within the bracket, this is our community. Community, we can solve the problem, yes or not? Inside, we can solve. Okay. Rest of the things, we write it as such. 3a minus b. Okay. Bracket is still there. Okay. A plus a.
2a.
2a
Minus
minus
1.
1. Okay. Okay. And now remaining, we have already solved. Further, we can't do. Okay. Because we can't add them as well. We have to leave as such. Okay. Now we will open the bracket. Okay. So 3a minus b into 2a minus
Minus
2ba.
2ab.
1 minute, 1 minute. Minus 2ba or minus 2ab. They are same. Whether we write minus 2ba or we write minus 2ab. They are same. Whether we multiply 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. We are getting the same answer because product is commutative. Because product is commutative. So we can write minus 2ab. So what we usually follow, that we always write the first letter first, then the second. Okay. Like x, y, z is there. We write first x, then y, then z. Okay. So it will be very easy to analyze them. Okay. So if a into b or b into a, we write a, b. Okay. Okay. Now minus b into minus 1 plus b. Plus b. Okay. What is remaining? Minus b plus 2ab. Okay. Now solve them. What we are going to do? Like terms, we will apply the operation. Okay. So which all are the like terms? 3a, no like term. So 3a we'll be getting 3a as such. Okay. Minus 2ab plus 2ab. 0.
0.
plus b minus b. Again 0. So what is the answer? 3a. 3a is our answer. Understood this one? Everyone have understood? Anyone
Yes,
have
sir.
doubt? Okay, then try doing the second one. I'm not doing. I'm giving you 3 minutes. You are having 3 minutes. So 3 minutes is good amount of time. Do it very slowly and without making mistake. Okay, write every step and solve it. Everyone solve in your notebook. Second one, till I write the question. Okay, I'll take 3 minutes to write the question. And you have to solve within 3 minutes. Solve the next one. Okay. 7 bracket 4a minus 3 minus 3a bracket 8 6 8 1 plus 2. Jatin, do it in your notebook. Keep doing. Hold the pen and start solving your notebook without looking on board. Yes, Jatin, start solving. Jatin, keep solving. I'm going to ask you to submit the work, or else I'll make a call. Seven, 4a. So see here, first thing, after writing the question in your notebook, always check. Okay, this if you have written this expression, check once whether you have written it every correctly, whether you have put the bracket at the correct place or not. 7, 4a minus 3. Even I used to check. I make mistakes. So 7, 4a minus 3 minus 3a bracket 8 minus 2a 1 plus 2a bracket. Okay. So always check. Solve it. Solve in your notebook.
Sir, done.
Done. Good. Let others as well to do. Let's go do. So first solve the home problems. Smaller brackets. Open them. Then keep moving outward. Okay. Yes. Solve it, everyone. It's given in book. Second question. 2D exercise. Second question you have to solve. Okay. Okay. Now look at the board. Okay. So see here. Here, this bracket is smaller. Here, this one is smaller. Okay. We can solve them. We are starting from bracket only. Within the bracket, already solved. Within the bracket, already solved.
Already
Okay.
solved.
Now, just open the bracket. 7 4 is
28a
28.
minus
7 into
minus
3.
21
Okay.
minus
And
3a
remaining as such. Okay. Remaining as such. Okay. 8 minus 2
2a
into 1. Minus 2a. Minus 2a into plus 2a.
minus 4a
Plus
square
4
minus 4
4a
a
square
4a square. Okay. This is clear. So now within the bracket, can we solve? They are unlike terms. We can't solve further. Okay. Now we'll open this bracket. Okay. We can't solve here anything here. No. So don't add them. Okay. 20a minus 3 you do. That's wrong. Okay. Because what first we have to do? Bracket we have solved here. Now here this bracket after solving, even then subtraction is at last. First, we have to solve the multiplication here. Yes or no? With this bracket, this is being multiplied.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So remaining as such, 28a minus 21 minus 3a into 8
Minus
minus
24A.
Minus
Minus
24A.
3
24a
8 yeah, 24a minus 3a into minus 2a plus
Plus 6A square.
3 to ja 6
square
A
a
square.
minus minus plus
Plus 12A
3 4
cube.
ja 12
12a cube.
a into a
Cube.
square a cube. Okay. Now, okay. So bracket we have solved. Off, no off is there. Division, no division is there. Multiplication we already done. Addition, now we can add or subtract. Okay. So like terms, 28a
28A minus
this one.
24A.
Okay. Rest are different. Okay. So what you are going to get? 4a minus
4
21
minus 21 plus 6A
6a
square
square
plus
Square
12A cube.
plus 12a cube.
cube. Okay. This you have got the answer. Now see us. Either you can arrange that in ascending or descending order. Okay, that's up to you. Let's this for making it to look good. A cube term with then 6a square plus 4a minus 21. You can write it like this just to so that it looks good. 3 power 2 power 1 power 0 power. This is clear to all? Okay, Jatin, please switch off your camera. Okay, it will be available in full screen because students are there who used to watch the video afterwards. They are not attending the class. Few students they take after the class. Okay, few students are there, but usually you get video after a day or two. Okay, whenever I get time, I upload them. So it's better to take the class. Be in class always. And I may stop soon also, so always take the class. Okay. This is clear. You have got it. Okay. Do the third one. Everyone do the third one. Do the third question. Everyone have understood? These are very, very, very easy if we understand them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you start liking them. Okay. And soon we may fall in love with variables and numbers. Yes or no? Okay. Next is 2x minus square bracket y plus then y minus x plus 2y. Okay. So we are having first x, this one, smaller bracket, that is simple bracket. Then we have curly brackets. Okay.
Square brackets.
Then we have square brackets. Okay. After writing, check once 2x minus y plus y minus x plus 2y. Always check. If you have a written question, how much you try, you are not going to get the correct answer. So all our work will go in vain. No use. Okay, now start solving. So from where we'll start? See the smallest thing, home problems we'll solve. Within the home, already solved. Now open the home. So 2x minus y plus y minus, okay. So brackets. Okay, open the bracket. Y minus x
Minus x.
X minus 2y.
Minus 2y.
minus 2. Okay. Now within the bracket we can solve. Okay. 2x minus y plus. Okay. First we solve within the bracket. Okay. If you open it's fine, but here plus sign is there, so no issue. But still we'll solve these problems. Okay. Or else
Minus
what will happen?
2y.
We'll take a bigger problem
Minus
also.
x minus x minus y.
Okay, so y minus 2y. Okay, minus x,
x
x,
minus y.
y minus y,
Minus y.
y minus y. Okay, now we can open this bracket. 2x minus y plus, it will be minus x plus minus plus minus. Okay, solve it. Solve it in the bracket. 2x minus,
Minus x.
see here, y minus y 0. What is remaining?
Minus x.
Minus x. Okay, open the bracket. 2x minus minus
Plus
plus x.
x.
Okay,
Plus
2x plus x,
3x.
3x. Understood this one? Everyone understood? Okay. Yes. Anyone have doubt? Okay. Do the fourth one. Something new is there in fourth as well. Something bar is there.
Sir,
Okay.
bar
Not the
bracket.
chocolate bar. Not the chocolate, but the bar bracket. Okay. Not the chocolate bar or the magnet bar. It's bar bracket. So we solve. Now we are going to solve first our own problem, that is bar problem. Okay. Then we'll solve the house problem. Okay. So next is 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus y minus 2x minus 2x plus y. Okay. Brackets. So bar we use which color? This one. Green color we use for the bar. Okay. Now bracket, here it is. Okay. Use a bracket. Curly bracket. Okay, I haven't got much colors here as well. The curly bracket I'm using red. Okay, again I'm using red. Okay, size will make bigger. Okay, check once 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus y minus 2x minus then 2x. This is bar and all. Okay, so once always check it. Always writing after once you always check it. Okay, now start solving. So green, blue, and red. Okay, now where we'll start? We'll start to solve our own problem first. That is the bar problem. Okay, solve it. So remaining as such 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus y minus 2x minus. Okay. Solve the problem. What will be there? Bar bracket you are removing. Minus
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 2
2x
x
plus y.
minus
okay,
y
minus
plus y
minus
plus y.
y.
Minus y.
Minus y. See here, bar it is a kind of bracket only. Minus is outside this bracket. Okay. So minus of 2x minus of y. Bar bracket we have removed. Bar bracket we have removed. Okay. This you understood meaning of bar. If it is written minus 2 plus x, the whole bar, it means minus 2 minus x. Okay. It's kind of bracket only. Okay. Now next, within the bracket, solve the home problems. Solve the home problems. 3x minus 2y, y minus 2 minus Okay. Solve it.
X minus Y.
X
Minus X
minus
minus
2x minus x
Minus Y.
minus y. So within the home we have solved. Now we can open it. Okay. Remaining as such 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus y minus. Now open this one. Minus 2 where? Minus 2 into minus x.
Plus
Plus
2X.
2x.
2x, okay. Minus 2
Plus
into minus
2x.
y.
Plus 2Y.
Plus 2y.
2y. Plus 2y. Okay. Bracket closed. Okay. Now within the bracket solve. So remaining as such. Three x minus 2y minus. Okay. Within the bracket solve. What will be? 2x
2x plus 3y.
2X plus 3Y.
2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y. Okay. Now okay. Now within the bracket we have solved. We will open the bracket. Okay. So here we have the bracket. Open the bracket now. What you have to write?
Minus 2x
minus
3y.
This will be there. Okay. Now solve within the bracket. Three x minus like terms.
X.
3x minus 2x.
X
X
X.
minus 2y
X
minus 5Y.
minus 5y.
5Y.
minus 5y. Okay. Bracket closed. Okay. So I'm rubbing the first one. Okay. Rubbing the first one. Okay. Question. Okay. So we have got 12x minus x minus 5y.
5Y.
This we have got. Okay. Now open the bracket. Within the bracket we already solved. 12x minus x
Minus
plus
5Y.
minus x minus plus 5y. It will be how much? 12x minus x
11x plus
11X
5y.
plus
11x minus
Plus
5y.
plus 5y plus 5y. Okay. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
fifth one, try as homework. Fifth one, try as homework. Okay.
Okay,
Sixth
sir.
one, everyone do the sixth one. Sixth one, let's try. Sixth one, let's do. Sixth, seventh, homework, 8th. Sixth, then 8th we do, 9th we do. Okay. 10th we do. Okay. Try sixth one. So check once. 10x minus 3 plus okay, everyone solved? So what we can,
Yes.
here we can solve the bar bracket. Okay,
Yes,
so we
sir.
start from here. 10 x square minus 3 y square minus x square minus x square minus minus plus z square. Everyone understood this one? Bar bracket we have removed. Okay, minus 2. Okay, here as well we'll remove the bracket. Okay, so it will simply remove, yes or no? X square minus y square plus z square minus z square plus y square. Simply we can remove. Okay, now solve within the bracket. 10 x square minus 3. Okay, we can't solve. We have to open the bracket first, yes or no? So open the bracket. Minus 3 into y square
Y
minus
square.
3 y square. Minus 3 into minus x square plus 3x square. Minus plus minus 3 z square. We have got this one. Okay. Minus 2. Solve within the bracket. X square, no other x square term. X square minus y square plus y square. 0. Z square minus z square, 0. What we are getting?
X
Only
square.
x square minus 2 x square. Understood this one? Minus 2 x square. Either you can put it in bracket, afterwards you can remove the bracket. No issues. This you will get. This you are getting. Okay. Now the like terms. How much we get? 10 plus 3, 13. Minus 2,
11 X square.
11 x square. Okay. Remaining minus 3 y square plus it will be minus 3 z square. You get this as answer? Everyone have understood this one? Okay. 7th one as well. Try to do as homework. Start with 8th. Okay. 8th will solve and we will leave. Okay. 2 minutes will take only. Okay. I'll take 2 minutes only. Try with 8th. Everyone try with 8th. 8th question you try. It is given 15. Okay. Krishna is nice as well. Yes. 15x plus 10x divided by 2 minus 1 by 3 of 12x. This is there. Okay. Have you understood this one? Okay. Now see here 15x as such. Okay. Plus minus. Should we add them first? Or see here. Here what is? Divide. BOD. First, these two numbers are to be divided. Have you understood this one? We cannot add them first. First, these are to be divided. Oh, no bracket is there. Off
Sir,
is here.
off.
Off will solve here. Off will solve here. Okay. Off will be solving here. Okay. And here division, you can solve division here separate because they are connected by minus sign. Or if you get confused, then leave them as such. Okay. 10x divided by 2 minus 1 by 3 of 12x. Solve them. Okay. It will be 4x, 15x plus 10x divided by 2 minus 4x. Yes. Now we cannot subtract, we cannot add because first you have to do the division. So 15x plus 10x divided by 2 minus 4x. 15x plus 5x minus 4x. It is 16x you get. Yes. Okay. Or see here, you can solve it here as well. They are separated by negative sign. So we can solve them here, or we can solve here. Okay. Then we can solve. Okay. It's up to you how you solve. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
up to
sir.
10th you have to try. Okay. Up to 10th you try. Tomorrow we are going to discuss them again. Okay. Up to 10th you try. This question we'll do in class as well tomorrow. Okay. The remaining questions, whatever we are given as homework, we'll be doing class as well. Okay. These are important as well. Right? So try to do them. Okay. Solve them in your notebook, and we will as well discuss them in class. And then we are going to start. Just wait a minute. We are going to start statistics. Okay. DH3. So are you having, okay, we won't require for the time being, but we will require graph paper soon. Okay. Okay. If you are able to arrange the graph paper, please do arrange. Okay. Tomorrow we may not require, but we will require them soon. Okay. Tomorrow as well, maybe. So if you are having the graph paper, please arrange it. Okay. I forgot to tell you earlier. Okay. If you don't have no issues, you can draw in a notebook for time being. Then afterwards, you can draw in graph paper. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So if you have, or if you are able to get, don't do it much. Even the outside conditions are not fine now. Okay. Not fine much.